Alright, I'm back. Okay, we got the fuel pump on, and I'll flip you around and show you that. I also have it jacked up. It does run and it works, but the carburetor is leaking a wee bit, so we're going to fix that. But it is running. It runs really good. I'll flip you around and show you. There's that. Fuel pump is in. It actually works, which for a 70-year-old fuel pump, bought it on eBay. Gotta love it. So here's the other side of it. I can see the fuel bowl, but it's got fuel in it. I gotta change the oil in it since it's probably been sitting for 30 years in here, so that's my next little project. So right now I'm down here. I moved it over there. Anyway, let's come down here. Yes. Follow me this way. I'm going to not go this way here. I have it on jack stands, but I don't want to die today. Anyway. That's what we gotta do today. A little pan there. I gotta drain the oil in this thing. I have it on jacks. See here? Anyway, on here. Here's the oil we pulled out of it. Isn't that wonderful? It's pretty grungy. It was chunky. There's what I put in it. Did this last night in the dark. There's the oil filter, which is nasty. Had probably had that oil change in 30 years, who knows. Anyway, there's that. Still have to tighten the belts up, but right now it'll run. And we got a fuel bowl. The thing is sticking on the carburetor a little bit, so hopefully it doesn't flat out again. Anyway, I'm gonna start it up here in a minute. Trying. Alright, I'm back. Had a little drama there, we fixed it. Anyway, she's running. Turns out she really got the carburetor acting up on her. We're not leaking oil out of it. She's warm. Warmed up for the first time in God knows how long. But she runs. Watch this, it's hot too. And she's a smoker. But she's actually clearing up. So I can't really complain too much. I think we got water flowing now. Anyway, I turned it off. The carburetor leaks, which is expected. But she's getting warm. Keep my hand out of there. She's cooling down now. I think we got circulation that kicked in, and the wipers work. Believe that stuff? Let's try to check this out. I can tell. That's nuts. And the temperature gauge I think is working. So something's humming over here. I don't know what it is. Something's humming. showing you guys anything, am I? Okay, there we go. Let's go with that. Temperature gauge is not running hot. Got good oil pressure. I keep forgetting I have a camera here. I have a gas can. So anyway. Anyway, she's running hot. Not belling massive amounts of smoke. She is, but smell the old smoke. Anyway. Pretty cool stuff, guys. Pretty cool stuff. And I'll get back to you.